video, we're unboxing the injector fuel line EGT sensor socket kit.
The L-shaped offset EGT sensor socket. The extended straight EGT sensor socket. Now, let's find the component we need to remove. We'll use a Land Rover Diesel 3T EGT sensor as an example. You'll notice the regular socket doesn't have a cutout and won't fit over the sensor. This tool is designed to solve that problem. A regular socket can't go over the sensor for removal. We can see this tool slides right over it with no issue. This tool has two designs. The first one is this straight version. When using the straight version for deeper removal, we'll find the straight socket won't work well in that space. So we use the offset EGT sensor socket, line it up and slip it on. Now we can see there's plenty of room, so we can remove it. Choose the right socket based on the access fit's specific vehicle. Before removing the sensor, we need to unplug the connector first, avoiding twist and break the wiring harness. Next, select the correct socket size for the sensor. This socket is designed to work with a medium-sized ratcheting wrench. We use a medium ratcheting wrench to help with the removal. Feed the socket's cutout over the sensor. Adjust its position slightly. Then use a medium ratcheting wrench to remove. Once the socket is on, and hold it steady. Then remove it. Once it's loose, we can remove the EGT sensor. So we can fully remove the EGT sensor with the tool and complete removal without damage. 13mm straight EGT sensor socket. 14mm straight EGT sensor socket. 17mm straight EGT sensor socket. 13mm offset EGT sensor socket. 14mm offset EGT sensor socket. 17mm offset EGT sensor socket.